The number one cause of death in North America is sudden cardiac arrest. Over 1,000 people die every day. The problem is, when the heart stops beating, the brain begins to die within 5 minutes, and 911 responders typically take more than 10 minutes to reach the patient. In the early 90s, survival rates for sudden cardiac arrest were a lousy 5.9%. Then came the game-changing invention of the automated external defibrillator, AED. These new AEDs would make life-saving defibrillation accessible and ridiculously easy for the public. The medical and emergency community were overjoyed and predicted thousands of lives would be saved as the AED sales reached over 3 million devices. But unfortunately, the survival rate has only gone up 2%. So what went wrong? Simple. Bystanders are afraid to use them. Instead, they're calling 911 and trying to keep the person comfortable as the clock ticks past the deadly 5-minute mark. Training is the solution. If you have an AED, you must offer training or your program will fail. Not just training certain people. That isn't working. You need to train everyone. Easy, quick, and free is the best way for people to take some initial and refresher training. Introducing the AED Smart Station. Our 2-minute video trains people when there's a captive audience, while they're waiting at hockey arena, a recreation center, school, airport, hospital, physician waiting room, businesses, and any public place. We have separate videos for all the AED manufactured brands. We even record the number of times that people watch the videos so you can measure your ROI. By watching the video, people will gain confidence and will be more likely to remember where the AED is located. And with this new knowledge, many more people will become willing bystanders. Make your AED program a success. Train your community.